Can you send money from your Safepal to year after day? Today we are going to talk about if you can send money from your save file to your Afterpay. Well, first of all, Safepal is actually a crypto wallet, which means it stores your cryptocurrency, not the cryptocurrency cannot be transferred to Afterpay. The second thing is Afterpay is not a bank account and it does not store any money. The Afterpay is actually a platform which allows you to buy things and you can actually pay for those products in installments. So in short, the payment that you are making enough to pay are from your bank account, so it does not store any money. And second thing, Safepal is not money transferring option. It is actually a wallet which allow you to store and send crypto money. So that's pretty much it. That's what it is. Hope you guys find this video helpful.